Hi, fellow members. I'm here to give you an update regarding open houses. Today, the mayor's office announced that it will continue the pause on reopening until the COVID-19 key health indicators improve. There is no date set for additional reopenings at this time. This pause includes the fact that any sort of traditional or by appointment open houses are currently not permitted in San Francisco County. The only open houses permitted are virtual. Once again, please do not advertise or email blast that you are holding any sort of open house unless it is virtual, and then state that in your blast. You can continue to do in-person showings by appointment after all virtual options have been exhausted. Even after all the messaging that we've sent out over the past several months, some agents have continued to send out blasts about open houses. I ask you to please stop this practice. As someone said to me, this isn't about finding a way around these orders. This is about protecting our entire community. Please do not break the rules. Do not advertise or conduct any sort of open house unless it is virtual. Let's set an example for our communities and our industry. We all need to work within the rules that have been laid out for us. Let's work together to continue to get through this time. Business is being conducted, homes are being sold. We are doing our jobs. Thank you.